What's up mga kabit? Kamusta kayo guys? Meron ba ditong mahilig sa racing? Well, makaka-relate ka rito guys sa token na to. Itong play to earn game na involve ang racing. Kung may extra time ka, samahan mo ko guys. Silipin natin tong Coin Racer Race Win and Earn. Let's go! What's up? What's up? What's up mga kabit? Well, ito na nga guys, Coin Racer. Ayan, play to earn game na naman ito guys. Involve ang kotse or racing. The most revolutionary crypto racing game on Binance Smart Chain. Wow! Alpha Tournament number 1 is live. Ayan guys, ang kanilang personal token, ayan, C-Race. Let us check ano nga ba ito. What is Coin Racer? Decentralized prize pool system and seamless racing. The one and only low poly multiplayer blockchain powered skill based racing game you can play to earn with our smart contract backed Coin Racer smart pool backend. Ayan. Let's see guys. Ito may video pala sila. I-check nga natin. Let's see. Yun. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Earn. Ayos ah. Oh. DJ Marvin in the house. Go. Ganito yung itsura niya. O, pwede rin mag-trade expert. NFT cars, pwede mo rin ipalit sa marketplace of course. Yeah. Okay Race, Win and Earn, coinracer.io. You can check their website guys. Ayan. So ayun guys, napanood na natin ng video. Ano pang features nito? Okay, you can mint your own unique NFT car and race with it. So may kakaroon kayo ng sariling sasakyan. Yun ang ipangkakarera ninyo. Now, earn more tokens with each race. Siyempre, yung mga reward na makukuha nyo is yung race token or yung C-Race na pwede nyo i-encash. Discover new areas and train your skill to become better. Siyempre, ayan, meron din siyang training para mas lumakas or mas bumilis yung sasakyan ninyo. And of course, meron din silang trade NFT cars with your friends or buy and sell them on the marketplace. Meron din silang sariling marketplace wherein you can buy and sell your cars. So ayan, Coin Racer 1.0 car collection. Ito yung mga itsura. Merong Bolt, Malibu Express, Coin Racer GT, Nightcrawler. You can play mint. Ayan, pwede. So pag click natin tong play, let's see kung anong mangyayari guys. So ganito yung itsura niyan guys, no? Single player, multiplayer. Ayan, pwede na pala tayong mga rera. Pero bago tayo mga rera, wait lang. Silipin muna natin yung iba pang information. So, paano ba nag-work itong Coin Racer? Ayan, mamaya sisilipin natin paano tayo maglalaro, no? Coin Racer is a blockchain-based WebGL game deployed on BSC. Meron ding C-Race, of course, ito yung kanilang token. Car and NFTs. Yan, Alpha 1.0 release will provide single-player mode. So, mamaya silipin natin kung paano laruin itong free-to-play na to, no? Ayan, nakalagay, free-to-play cars included. How to buy Seekers and play Coin Racer? Well, ayan, you can acquire C-Race via DEX or CEX to race. Connect nyo lang yung wallet ninyo and select the prize pool size and amount of players you want to race against. After some time, smart contracts will verify everyone's participation and the race will begin. So, as long as meron kang C-Race, pwede na. Ayan guys, ito, pwede nyo i-click tong buy C-Race. But again guys, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Yung extra mo lang para hindi ka nasasaktan. Alright? Do your own research pa din bukod dito sa content natin. And of course, they are powered by Binance Smart Chain and WebGL. And meron din silang amazing ambassador crew. Ayan, sila Manu, Max, Willie, Marvin. Hoy! Ba't nandito ako? Luis and Virus. Ito pala yung ambassador crew. Ayos ah. Ba't ako nandito? Nagulat ako dun ha. Nagulat ako. Kala ko bakit may Marvin dito. Yung pala, nilagay pala nila ako dito. Wow. Oh, alam ko na kung bakit. Kasi nag-content ako ng TikTok nila. At ngayon nilagay nila ako dito. Okay, maraming salamat Coin Racer. Our advisors coming soon. And guys, if you want to check and know more about this coinracer.io, well, ayan, ito ang kanilang roadmap. Ayan, October and of course November na ngayon, FTP leaderboard tournaments, whitelist NFT minting event, multiplayer version 1.0. Well, mamaya check natin yung karera na yan. December, January, you can view them. Ayan, ito yung mga naggagwapuhan nating co-founder, marketing specialist, and head of marketing. Ayan sila. Together with their partners. You can join their social media accounts, guys, ha. Ayan, andyan. Makakapagtanong kayo sa mga developers and owners, nandiyan sila sa loob kung meron kayong mga additional questions bukod sa content natin. So, ito yung itsura at interface ng kanilang racing. So, puntahan na nga natin, guys. Gusto ko nang malaro yan. Hindi ako makaget over. Andito yung pagmumukha ko. Pero again, let's go and play the game. Of course, if you want to play, ayan, connect your wallet, single player, multiplayer. Ayan. Sige, subukan niya natin. Sino ang gusto ko? Si Bolt ang pwede nating malaro. Okay, next. West Virginia to race. Subukan natin. Okay. So guys, ito. CoinRacer Alpha 1.0 single player alpha tournament is coming soon. So at least ito, malalaro na natin yung alpha testing nila. Madali lang pala eh. Ano bang break? Ito atras. Tingnan natin yung skill natin, ha. Let's go. Parang tunog traktora lang, ha. Ano ba to? Racing car ba yung tunog nito or helicopter? What? Diba? Okay, at least madali lang laruin. So malamang ang kalaban mo dito siyempre yung mga naglalaro din. And kung sinong mananalo, magkakaroon ng premyo na Race Token. Madali lang naman kontrolin, no? Hopefully malalaro rin ito sa cellphone. Kasi ngayon, guys, ang gamit ko is keyboard. Ayun, spacebar siguro ang brake para makapag-drift tayo. Yun, Anyway, ganun pala ang itsura ng laro na to, CoinRacer. So, ayun guys, you can buy yung token nila dito sa PancakeSwap. Ayan, CoinRacer Craze. Again, don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Alright? So, if you want, just visit yung PancakeSwap. Kung nagustuhan mo at nag-enjoy ka dito sa ating video content ng CoinRacer, well, i-hit mo naman yung like button. Thank you so much for subscribing. Guys, kung gusto nyo lagi kayong updated sa mga videos natin ng about sa crypto, whether token yan, exchanger yan, NFT games yan, trading yan, at kung ano-ano pa, basta cryptocurrency, gusto mo updated ka, hit mo lang yung notification bell. Maraming salamat sa suporta mo. And again, God bless you.